Your nozzle snozzle. Wipe your nozzle. That's great, everyone. I've got to go around the outside yet, but I want to just spray that gently because it's starting to warm up, so but I'm trying to be very careful not to get my soapy water outside here. Something in my hand would be good right now, actually, so I'm not turning around all the time to wipe my paddle top stick. Nice little bit of slope on there. I made sure there's a little bit of slope underneath that on the cement sheet. So when the water penetrates through the grout, which is not very much because there's only one grout line, it'll also run off and down the wall behind the tile and run down that strip drain. I had a comment a little while ago. A viewer said, "Chriso, you make it look easy." Well, it is actually. It is easy. It is easy. Good one. Just a little bit there. It's not a good practice, DIYs, to silicone after you've sprayed. But sometimes you just see a little imperfection. And you just need to patch it up. Bit of grout there. Okay, so we'll race around the outside. Yeah, nah, people, it is So many people are afraid of silicone. But did you see how I did inside first, then you do your outside? If I was spraying my outside, I would have been knackered for doing the inside, because the spray would have got in there. So we just give that a quick wipe now. I love the aluminium because I like it better than mitered, everything mitered. I'm not a fan of miters. Miters chip and they're too hard for the DIY as well to do. And then you should epoxy them so they don't chip, and then you're going into a whole different field then when you're starting to do epoxy. I don't reckon it's for the DIY myself. All right, people. Stay tuned. This is only the beginning. Lean in, subscribe, hit my next one. I just noticed a little bit of silicone there. Hit my next one. Have a look. We'll see ya. Bye.